really do believe in the power of knowledge transfer through video.
Hmm.
And that's what everyone talks about. Like you're providing value in your video. Um, I would have never thought of myself to want to launch a digital course, but I realized that packaging that value up into a distributable, digestible, takes you from step A to step B to, basically learning all of what I learned in a year, packaging that down into a series of videos, launching that in a course, and to whoever wants it and finds value in it, then purchase that. So it's very strange. It's very interesting world that we're living in, but embracing it is going to do a lot better for everyone. And I'm like I said, I'm not even probably ready to launch a digital course, but done is better than perfect, and perfectly never launched is worse than launching and then iteratively improving on that. So.